Welcome back, friends and family. Today we decided to clean out the garage. After Christmas time, we all get so many presents, and the house feels just a little chaotic. So we decided to take down all the Christmas decorations, squeeze the Christmas tree out the front door, and start organizing our basement. I felt pretty successful about that, but at the end of that project we found ourselves with lots of stuff that needed to go to the garage. And when I brought some of the boxes over to the garage, I discovered a horrible mess. I won't place blame. So it was very cold out, and we opened up the garage doors, and here you can see we got the kerosene heater fired up. That took the edge off a little bit, and my wife and I convinced the kids to come over and help us out a little bit. So it's always kind of nice to dig into a project and clean things up, find some organization. And that's what we did here. You can see I'm shuffling a lot of boxes over to a particular area. All I'm trying to do is get a few plumbing things in one area, some painting things in another, electrical, maybe in another corner, some woodworking tools here and there. Just try to get a semblance of what I have and where it should go. Ultimately, we cleaned out the basement of one of our rental cabins, and it was, we just brought it all in, dumped it in this garage, so of course it's a little out of control, and that's kind of to be expected. So I'll need to go through and do an inventory of all of the stuff that we inherited through the purchase of that cabin and make sense of it all and incorporate it and organize it all. But here you can see we're making pretty good progress. You know, with such a large family, a lot of hands make light work. For many years it never felt like that, but I'm starting to feel that the kids can actually contribute a little bit, so that's quite the blessing. I'm a little new at recording. I shouldn't say that, but I previewed the video and realized that most of our activity wasn't recorded. Ultimately, you could see we're making space for a that saw stop table saw that I have there. That'll be a whole nother video, but I got just an amazing deal on that. And for right now, it's 3-phase, so I can't run it, but it's the industrial ICS industrial cabinet saw model. It's 5 horsepower, so I'm going to make some room for that. I'm going to push it over into the corner and also make space for our snowmobile, because in the next couple days we're going to be getting quite a bit of snow, so my wife informs me, and we're going to make some space for that so that we can fire it up, get it out of the garage easy enough, and use it. The kids seem to enjoy the snowmobile more than I do. So you can see what we're doing here is we're making some progress. Anyway, all for now.